Moon month diagram. Here are the materials you will need. Add the tape to the back of the googly eyes and attach it to the foam ball. Make sure it is completely secure. Now color half of the foam ball with your marker. Color the entire area below where you have stuck your googly eyes. Color the other foam sphere as well. Leave half of the sphere uncolored. Insert a metal rod into the button. Remove the stickers on the yellow base and stick the button into it. Add another button to the rod at the midpoint. Locate the smaller yellow foam base and remove the stickers. Attach the button directly onto the sticky side of the base. Then insert the shortest rod through the button and the remaining foam ball. Attach the two rod arm connectors to both ends of the rod. Easily slide the entire arm into the main rod using the connectors. Secure it by attaching the last foam ball. Finished!